Okay, right now I'm here at the Eagle Track Zip Line Marim Chiang Mai, which is the most famous zip lining tour adventure in Chiang Mai. Today I will bring you guys to see how fun it is. I'm so excited. This is my first time here. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's go! And this is the long one across the countryside. The view is fantastic. Let's go! Staff just told me that this is the longest abseiling ever, 40 meters. Did you see down there? Woo! Yes, and very nice view and waterfall. Let's see. Oh my God! Today I'm so enjoying and happy to do zip lining with the Eagle Track, and the staff there were so friendly because they taking care of me so well. The Eagle Track is the great way for you guys to go to see the nature and the countryside while doing something exciting. And I want just to say two words for the Eagle Track. It's fun, it's safe. I love it so much. You guys have to come.